What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. Hope you all guys doing well. I'm in Manchester today. So I did speak to a person and he told me to go to gate 9. It says all gates. Gate 9. Sorry, thank you. Oh, feels amazing. Gate 9 finally reached. Right over there. Yes, sir. Yeah, all good? Sorry. I think I'll go for this one. Now, since I was going to the coach, I never expected they would do a COVID test. Not really a COVID test, but they, like a thermal gun, they put your head. Hey, hands up. And I was like, yeah. It was a good experience, They really check thermal temperatures, yeah. That's the social norm, I think, everywhere. Have you been to the coach's lavatory? Have you been? I've never been. So I decided, why not take a video, man? And then obviously I wanted to pee. Not like I don't want to, but I had to, even if there were few drops. Your new location, you really need to be well accustomed if you're going to really walk the city and understand the city by road. If I had to take a tram, which was hardly £2, I would have reached in 45 minutes. If I had taken an Uber, which is almost £10, I would have reached in 15 minutes. But if I had walked the place, just feel place how it is basically, and that's the best thing what I decided. If you see in London, it's different, and if you see in Manchester, it looks so different. I mean, Eccles, New Road, Moorville Road. So this is basically the map, how it looks, and this is the internet. Should I cross or no? Jeez, man. My life is important. There are no cars over here. But then what if a car comes from that side and... a little dangerous. I'm just gonna wait for this and then I'll cross. I'm meeting my cousin after 4 years, and to be honest, I was very confused where is his house, because I have never ever been there. It was not so easy for me to record as well, and even to check the GPS. So I could not get really all the stills or all the clicks and videos I would like. London to Manchester. I did come over there for my cousin's best friend's birthday, and the night went very well. There was some nice acoustic sessions, I would say. I did enjoy, and then later on we did go on for a beautiful karaoke session where we were 4 of us, and we had to give, out of 10 points we had to rate everyone. So there was a music being played with instruments and we had to sing, and I suck at singing, man. But then my cousin ended up as a winner. Have a look at the video.
Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. it, always a mention. Say me not giving all her attention. You're there through my incarceration. Once a generation, my representation. You're mine.
Once all the boys came in, we did start a lovely nice session, and it was good. It was good. My 36 hours was quite fast. It was quite fast and quite entertaining. To be honest, I was so in the moment that I really didn't even get time to shoot properly. And I think that's all about, you know, some things you can't really shoot.
Give me one 5-star.
Dude, this is normal enough for food.
Yeah. Yeah, man. It's going away from my hand. Where are the other one?
They're under this chicken's bum. Softer. Actually, we were up almost for what? Out of 24 hours, we were up for at least 18 hours. We were up. We had hardly 3-4 hours sleep, and then the next day we had to sleep early because next day we had to depart. So obviously the next day by 11-12 o'clock we were off. Morning I woke up, I had to make sure that I catch my coach because it was at 9:30 and I had to leave. I really love such places. See this place? Pretty cool place, very open space. I wish I could show you guys a bit more, but it was so difficult to look at the GPS and even to record and shoot that I wish I had a secondary camera, like maybe a GoPro or something. But anyways, nevertheless, this was my 36 hours in Manchester. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you'll subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Take care, be safe, and keep clicking.